I'm Chrisanne Carwitz. I'm a paramedical esthetician with over 30 years experience in the skincare industry. You will age your skin faster by not wearing a sunscreen. My preference is both a chemical and a mineral sunscreen. It's kind of like putting on a sweater and a windbreaker. It's double protection against the sun. It's important that you stay hydrated on the inside and drink enough water. Get enough sleep also will help to reduce the puffiness around your eyes. One of my little tricks is to get a cheap black tea bag and you steep that for just a few minutes, and then you can place that, once it's cooled down, on the eye tissue and also all over your face. The tannic acid in the tea bag will help with some brown spots, and it also helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles. It's a good idea to not sleep on your face. You will find as you get older that that wrinkle will not go away for a couple of hours. Trust me, I know this to be a fact. Remember to not put off getting sunglasses for squinting in the sunlight, and also make sure that your eyeglass prescription is up to date. For around the eyes, my recommendation also for preventative treatments is a little tiny bit of Botox. You can just do 5 units around the eyes. That's what I do every once in a while, about every 6 months to a year. And then about 10 units in the middle of my forehead I have used, and I found it very effective for my migraines, and also my light sensitivity has created some squinting for my eyes, and so it has helped with. When you use Botox, it will go into the wrinkle and kind of help to soften up the muscles so that it flattens that area out, and that wrinkle doesn't stay in and create as much of a permanent wrinkle, and it works well for preventing aging. I also have these deep Prussian lines on the side of my mouth that tend to make my mouth go down on either side, and so sometimes I'll just have 3 units to kind of lift that up a little bit, and that's been very helpful also. It's very important that you do not over-exfoliate your skin and thereby create more sensitivity and skin fragility, which can also make it more susceptible to bacterial infections and also rosacea or broken blood vessels. Things that an esthetician can do is, one of them is called facial mapping. And that means that there's different areas in your face that can tend to correlate to health issues within the body, such as the liver and the kidneys, some hormone issues, also some gut issues that could be happening with an intolerance to certain foods, such as gluten or dairy. Some of this can be reflected on the skin tissue. Personally, I have found that fascinating how accurate that can be. When seeking skincare treatments, it's important that the person who is treating your skin is aware of the Fitzpatrick skin typing. What that means is that different people will have different levels of melanin in their skin tissue, and so they will respond differently because of that melanin. So sometimes people will get peels or laser treatments and they will create more brown spots and melasma, and also it can create some scarring depending on your particular skin type with this Fitzpatrick scale. So it's very important that you go to somebody who can address your specific and unique skin type and then treat it accordingly and not create more problems with the treatment. Science has discovered that all living organisms, including human beings, coexist with a myriad of microbial species living in and on them. And research conducted over the last 20 years has established their importance in the role of nutrition, physiology, metabolism, and behavior. Basically, what that means is that what is in your gut, your intestines, will affect the rest of your health, including your skin tissue. Creating a balance will affect your overall health. Research continues to show that a healthy gut can help maintain a well-functioning immune system, digestive wellness, a good mood, balanced yeast growth, positive sleep patterns, and many other aspects of wellness. The more you learn about gut health, the better you can learn how to support and take care of your overall health. People's gut immune response becomes less effective with age. Studies have shown that this decline in age-related gut health can create inflammation, increased fragility, and a predisposition to intestinal illness. Although it's possible to rejuvenate gut health for the older gut immune system. They even say that the bacteria in your gut may reveal your true age. Billions of bacteria within your gut system help to regulate everything from your ability to digest food and how your immune system functions. Things that will decline with age: cell replacement, injury response, barrier function, chemical clearance, sensory perception, immune responsiveness, thermoregulation, sweat production. Watch part 2 of the anti-aging tutorial to learn more about dermalogical treatments, aesthetic treatments, some plastic surgery treatments, and what we can do to be proactive in treating the overall skin health.